Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to teach you how to do citation and references using Mendeley software. So first of all, before starting I want you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so before working in the Word, what you have to do is that you will open the Mendeley software. Like, here is the icon of Mendeley software. You will click on it. Okay, next what you have to do is that you will have to transfer the research papers or the journals in this area. I have some theses and journals over here, so what I have to do is that I will select them and I will move it here. After moving it, you will get the author's name over here, titles, years and publications. You can click on here to know that where the journal is written. This is the abstract, and you will also know the author. Similarly, you will also know the year of publication and the volume and the page numbering from where they took this journal from. Okay, next what I am going to show you that, let's suppose I wrote this literature review on solar panels and its impact on birds, and now I want to do the citation of it. So let's suppose I took this information, the first line, the solar energy is produced by sunlight, okay, from one of the paper, and I want to add citation to it. So what you have to do is that you will come on references, you will click on the references, and in here you will see the Mendeley cite on matrix. You will click on insert citation, okay, as we are doing this for this one sentence. Okay, we will click on the sentence and then you will click on insert. As we have took this information from one of our papers, so we will just have to write any word or two words or anything related to that paper if you know. Okay, so we will type sunlight is none. Now sunlight is not is in this one paper. Just click on it and press OK. So that citation is done by this person. Okay, next, let's suppose we want to add another citation to this information. Let's suppose we want to add citation in here. Okay, again we will go click on insert citation. Okay, and we want to add energy supply facilities, energy supply facility. This is it, energy supply facility. So this is from this one paper. Just click on it and press OK. So we got the citation of it, this person. Now we want to add the references to this document. We'll write references. Okay, press enter. For the references, you will have to click on again on the references, and you will click on insert bibliography. Click on it and the references are here. Now you have the references, you have the citation, but sometimes the instructor or the coordinator want that your references style should be different. So you will click on style and you can change the style of references here. Okay, like IEEE1, so IEEE references style is like this. Let's suppose you want to you're writing a paper on languages, so you can click on modern language association, so that references change according to the style of the paper. Okay. Similarly, political science paper you are writing, so you will click on it, so the references are changing in here. Okay. So this is how you can do the references and the citation in Mendeley. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Have a great day. Bye bye.